Alexa, continue. This is a set of Lineman's pliers is what they are. And my second brother gave them to me when I was working on that water park at Avalanche Bay in Boyne Falls. He'd found them at work. He was a foreman in his plant, and he gave them to me because I could use them. I said, thanks, second brother. And I always know where they're at. Right now, I'm running into trouble because I'm trying to drag something out of something. I don't understand why it doesn't just release itself and submit. I got it. I got it. It's a boy.